Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be reviewing this palette for you guys. It's the Huddah Cosmetics 24 color eyeshadow palette in Stargle edition. And this palette came out like 2-3 weeks ago, and I've had this palette for roughly a week, so I guess it came out 2 weeks ago. I've been using the palette, by the way. I traveled out of town for a while, for a week actually, and I went to the palette, and as you can see it's been used up, and not just from today's tutorial. As you can see, the palette has some very beautiful shades. It has warm shades, neutrals, and colorful shades as well, and really many shimmers. As you can see, the format of the palette is matte shimmer, matte shimmer, matte shimmer, and it has 24 shades. The palette goes for 1500, and it's available on the Instagram stores that stock Huddah Cosmetics. And yeah, so I'll be showing you how the palette performs on the eyes. I've done a few swatches right here. They've sort of rubbed off, so I'll just redo some of them. Let me redo Nairobi, which is this blue shade right here. Let me just do it down here. I'm also gonna do Harare, which is a shimmer, just so that you guys can get like the gist of the palette and how the pigment is. As you can see, it's very, very pigmented. This is a matte and this is a shimmer. Let me do one foil shade. Let me do Mombasa, which is this kind of bluish one right here. And that is that. As you can see, it's very, very pigmented. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how it performs on the eyes, stay tuned. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids, and I'll be using my Illegal Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is just so that we can give the foundation a nice base to sit on, so that it doesn't crease, and so that we can also give it a fair try. So I just place that on my lid, then blend it out. So now that the concealer is all blended out all over the lid, as you can see, I'm already using the palette. As you can see, it has an amazing mirror, big enough for me to do my makeup on. So that's what I'll be using to do my makeup. I'm not really sure what kind of colors I want to do, but to set the concealer, I'm gonna use this shade right here. Let me show you guys. This shade right here, it's in the shade Jobag. That's what I'll use to set the concealer all over my eyelids. It's a nice light cool tone brown shade. So I don't know, I'm not really sure what kind, but I think next I'll pick Da, which is an orange kind of shade, and put that on my as my transition shade. I've packed on the shade. You can see how much pigment it has, and we just keep building up the shade. I'm not sure if I want it to be too orange, because I'm still not sure which kind of eye look I'm going for. So next I'm picking a crease brush, and I'm gonna use this shade right here in my crease. It's the shade Douala or Doula, I'm not so sure how to pronounce it, but this is the shade right here. I'm just gonna put it in the crease. You can see how pigmented that is. Have you guys just seen that? It's like an explosion of color on my eyelid. So I feel like deepening this shade. I'm not so sure. I feel like deepening it a bit. I'm really not sure whether I should, but I think I will. Oh my god, did I just mess? You guys just see what I did to my eyeshadow right here. So I'm picking Dakar, which is this dark-ish kind of cranberry shade, and I'm just putting that into the crease as well, just to, you know, deepen it a bit. So that's it so far. I don't know, I could even stay like this, but I want a lid shade. So I'm not sure, and that's not really what I want for my lid. I don't know, let me just put the concealer on my lid first, then we'll decide what we are doing. So I think I'm gonna do this shade. It's called Gaborone. It's a whitish goldish shade. Not actually whitish goldish, it's actually a champagne gold. Just gonna pick enough on my hand. I think I may have picked too much, but I don't. So just place that all over my lid using my finger. Not in any particular pattern, I just pat it all everywhere on my lid. I think I'll do a wing liner. This look really nice with a wing liner. So once I'm done with that, I'll just go back with the same brush and pick the car and add some more, especially around the edges. As you can see so far, this is the look. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts and close off the video. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good and the palette works really well. I didn't want to do an overly out there eyeshadow look because it would have taken too much of our time and we don't have that much time. So this is the palette. I really love what have I just said? I really love the palette. It has amazing pigmentation, that's for sure, and it has an amazing color range. As you can see, it has warm colors, it has neutrals, and it also has colorful shades, and it has different like formulas, which is great depending on what you're going for. Like I said, it has foiled, I think foiled, I'm not so sure if it's foiled, shimmers and mattes, and they all work really well. I've not used a shimmer on my eye, I mean a foiled one, but let me just use this one. Just so you guys can see, it's a yellow goldish one. As you can see, it works really well as a lid topper. You can see really well. That's the shade I've just used. It's very close to my skin tone. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I really love this palette. If you're thinking of purchasing it, please do. It's an amazing palette and it's an amazing investment for only 1500 for 24 shades. That's amazing, right? And you don't pay for shipping because it's already in Kenya. You can just go to the shops. I will link the Instagram stores here that you can get the palettes at so that you don't struggle to get them. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And like I said, from this video, I will be doing post notification. Shout goes to Esmo Fashion. Yeah, she's also a YouTuber. I checked her channel out. It's amazing. It has a lot of stuff to do on self-confidence and those kinds of things. You should check her out. She's amazing. She comments on my posts. She watches the videos, and that's just amazing. So if you want to get a post notification shout out, remember to obviously subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and what else am I supposed to do? Click the notification bell. It's just like a bell near the subscribe button, and comment when done. And yeah, who knows, it might be you next. So bye, see you guys next time.